Hello, I'm Jack Besner, and I'm running an inference for two population proportions. I'm using JIGA supplement homework problem number 58. And so we're checking to see whether the proportion of male and female students with the view that you can be more than just friends with another female is greater than 10% percentages. So our null hypothesis is that P1 minus P2 is less than or equal to 10% or zero point 0.1. And our alternative hypothesis is that P1 minus P2 is greater than zero point 0.1. And our P1 is that females find it not feasible to be more than just friends, or that you can only just be friends. And P2 is male that not feasible that you can only just be friends. And so I created a two sample test for proportions, and um, you can clearly see just from this right here that it is greater than 0.1% or 10%. And so we do that P friends that they are female minus P friends that they are male is less than or equal to 0. And I found that the p-value that we found was 0.0002 approximately. PES female minus PES male was less than or equal to 0. And you can come to the conclusion that since the p-value of 0.002 approximately is less than our 0.05 significance level, we can reject the null hypothesis. And that way we can conclude that the proportion of male and female students is greater than 10 percentage points at our 0.05 significance level.